Chip and welcome to the channel. Now I know laundry isn't the most exciting topic, but it's a chore we all have to deal with, and who doesn't want to make it easier, right? We're going to be doing a deep dive into two of the most reliable and easy to use top load washers in the market today. The Maytag MVW P575 GW and the Speed Queen TR500 3WN. I will say here that neither of these companies support my channel in any way, and I'm not being compensated by them. This review is from a service technician's point of view. I deal with many different makes and models of washers on a daily basis, and I'm giving you my unbiased, honest opinion. So let's get right into it. First, let's talk about washing machines in general. They've changed quite a bit over the years due to energy requirements, and many have become really complex. We're seeing longer wash times, lower water usage, and as a result, more service calls than ever. Consumers nowadays are searching for simpler operation and fewer service calls, and if you're one of them, two brands stand out above the rest: Speed Queen and Maytag. Both these companies make top-load washers designed to be sturdy and simple to use. Maytag and Speed Queen are both US-based manufacturers whose focus on creating commercial-grade washers for use in the home. You may have heard of Maytag with its strong reputation for reliability and durability, at least until Whirlpool acquired them in 2006. But don't discount Speed Queen just yet. Even though they're not sold in big box stores, they've got a dedicated following. Both brands have commercial-grade top-load washing machines with agitators designed to be workhorses. Now, if you're planning on buying a new washing machine and want one that will stand the test of time, these two should be on your radar. But which one's the best? Let's dive into each model's features and reviews to find out. Alright, first up we have the Maytag Commercial Washer, the MVW P575 GW. And I must say here, be sure you shop for the specific model number when selecting a Maytag brand. Many of their machines are placarded as commercial technology. That's just a selling point for a machine with lesser quality. But this washer has been tested to have double the life of other washers of the same brand. One standout feature of this Maytag model is its turned off controls and indicator lights. Forget touch buttons and digital screens, this one keeps it old school. Plus, the powerful 1/2 horsepower motor ensures it can handle anything you throw at it. Another impressive aspect of the Maytag washer is its 7 wash cycle option. From bulky towels to delicates to drain and spin, it's got you covered no matter what you're washing. And if you're wondering about its size, it's got a 3.5 cubic foot stainless steel tub with the capacity to wash up to 18 towels in one load. Now let's talk about the warranty. The Maytag MVW P575 GW offers a 10-year limited parts residential warranty, including all parts and labor for the first 5 years. That's a significant step up from many competitors, but be sure to understand the limits of these warranties. Many times this 10 years applies to parts that don't typically wear out or break, like the tub and the motor. Next we have the Speed Queen Commercial Washer TR500 3WN. It's a little more expensive, but believe me, it's worth the investment. Speed Queen is a commercial laundry company known for making durable, long-lasting washing machines. The TR500 3WN is one of their most popular models and is expected to last for 10,400 cycles, or around 28.5 years if you run a cycle every day. Its unique wash system takes excellent care of your clothes while ensuring a thorough clean. The 3.2 cubic foot tub, smaller than the Maytag, and the agitator, they work together to create a gentle wash action, moving the maximum amount of water through the clothes. And let's talk about the warranty. Speed Queen offers one of the best in the industry: a 5-year full parts and in-home labor warranty, plus a lifetime warranty on the outer tub and the stainless steel wash basket. Okay, so let's compare the two models now. In terms of cycles and options, Maytag wins with a greater variety of cycles. However, Speed Queen fans prize the ability to be able to control the water level, a feature that's absent on the Maytag model. In terms of noise, Speed Queen comes out on top. Its top-load washer is just 43 decibels during agitation, or about as loud as a quiet library. And when it comes to warranty, it's a close call. Maytag offers a 5-year full parts and labor warranty plus 5 years parts only. Speed Queen, on the other hand, comes with a 5-year full parts and labor warranty plus a lifetime warranty on specific parts. Now, energy usage. Neither model is Energy Star rated. However, the energy guides show that Maytag model will cost twice as much to operate per year in terms of electricity use. In terms of wash mechanism, the Speed Queen uses a gentler agitub design, which means that the agitator and the tub are fixed and move together. It may not work as well on heavy soils. On the other hand, the Maytag's traditional agitator is more robust robust and can handle heavy duty fabrics and soils better. I personally think that Maytag wins in this category because I've heard a lot of complaints about the agitator design. But Speed Queen does offer a similar model, the TC5, that uses the traditional agitator action. And if you'd like to see a review on that, I'll put a link in the description and also up above. Now let's discuss the internal components. Speed Queen washers are built with heavy duty parts and are designed to be easy to repair. You can tell just by the weight that the Speed Queen TR5 weighs almost 200 pounds while the Maytag model weighs about 160. Now, like I said before, the Speed Queen TC5 has a similar wash action to the Maytag, but it has a shorter warranty. It's got a bulky /sheet cycle instead of the hand wash cycle on the TR5, and the maximum spin speed is 710 RPM, so it's pretty similar to the Maytag in that respect. Remember, these aren't designed for huge bulky loads, but if you're after a machine that's more durable than your average washer, either one of these could be your ideal choice. If you're all about that commercial laundry technology for home use, Speed Queen's your go-to brand. On the other hand, Maytag, with its competitive pricing and quality features, is also worth considering. Alright folks, that's a detailed look at Maytag MVW P575GW and the Speed Queen TR500 3WN. Both of these models are well loved for their simplicity, durability, and reliability. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next one. Chip is out.